So for exercise, find the value or values of x for which the curve of the given function has a point of inflection. So for number 1, y equals to 3x raised to the power 4 minus 4x cubed plus 1. So in order to find the point of inflection, we will have its second derivative. So we'll have its second derivative and equate it to 0. So just simple as that. So we will have its first derivative. So y prime is equals to 12x cubed minus 12x squared. So after this one, we will have its second derivative. So we have 36x squared minus 24x. Right? So we will equate it to 0. So 0 is equals to 12x. So we have a 3x minus 2. So we'll equate 12x to 0. So 12x is equals to 0. So x is equals to 0. So equate also 3x minus 2 to 0. So x is equals to 2/3. Right? So this is now our point of inflection. So let's check if our answer is correct. So x is equals to 0 and x is equals to 2/3. So this answer is correct. So take note that if we have y prime is equals to 0, we are trying to find its critical point. But when we talk about double prime is equals to 0, we are trying to find its point of inflection. So just take note of that. So let's proceed to another number. For this exercise, find the value or values of x for which the curve of the given function has a point of inflection. So for number 3, 3x raised to the power 5 minus 15x raised to the power 4 plus 20x raised to the power 3 plus 3. So we'll get its point of inflection. So we'll just have its second derivative and equate to 0. So we will first find its y prime. So we have 15x raised to the power 4 minus 60x cubed plus 60x squared. So its second derivative is just equals to 60x cubed minus 180x squared plus 120x. So after this one, we'll equate it to 0. So we'll factor 60x, right? So we'll have x squared minus 2x plus 2. Sorry, minus 3x minus 3x plus 2, right? So we'll equate 60x to 0. So x is equals to 0. So we'll have again, we'll factor this x cubed minus 3x plus 2. So x and x, so divisible by 2 that has a sum of 3. So it is negative 2 and negative 1, right? So we'll have x minus 2 is equals to 0. So we'll equate. So x is equals to 2 and x minus 1 is equals to 0. So we'll have x is equals to 1. So these are now our critical points. X is equals to 0, x is equals to 1, and x is equals to 2. So let's check if our answer is correct. So x is equals to 0, x is equals to 1, and x is equals to 2. So our answer here is correct. So that's all for this topic, point of inflection. So for more videos, please subscribe.